Today we are reviewing GoPro Hero 8 waterproof digital action camera with touchscreen 4K HD video, 12 megabytes photos, live streaming stabilization. The GoPro's Hero 8 is a high performance action camera designed for capturing photos and videos in extreme environments. Some of the top features include Hyper Smooth 2.0. This advanced image stabilization technology ensures that your footage is incredibly smooth even when you're moving around or shooting in rough conditions. It can stabilize your footage in all three axes, giving you incredibly steady footage without the need for a gimbal. Time Warp 2.0. This feature allows you to capture stabilized time-lapse videos, which can be great for capturing long-term events like sunset or star trails. Live bursts. This feature captures 1.5 seconds of footage before and after you can take a photo, giving you plenty of options to choose from when selecting the perfect shot. Super Photo. This advanced feature uses HDR and improved noise reduction to capture high quality photos with stunning detail even in low light condition. Waterproof and rugged. The Hero 8 is built to withstand extreme conditions and is waterproof up to 33 feet. This was reviewed for GoPro Hero 8 Black in waterproof digital action camera with touchscreen 4K.